4.8A Fast Dual USB Charge. Our newest USB car charger carried dual smart USB ports can quickly charge two devices simultaneously. Speed up to 4.8A total, 2.4A for each port. 2.5x faster than other car charger adapter. Please note, it is not a QC3.0 port, so doesn't support Qualcomm Quick Charge. Premium material. Mini car charger features an advanced all-aluminum body that is scratch-resistant and sturdy, making your car charger look like new. Soft LED light, guiding you to find charging ports in the dark easily. Safety assurance. Our USB micro car charger comes with a built-in smart IC chip that prevents your device from overcurrent, overcharging and overheating. Strict control tests and multiple protections against surges and short circuits ensure complete safety. Android charger compatibility. Supports Samsung S7 Active, S7 Edge, S7, S6 Edge Plus, S6 Active, S6, J3, J3 Prime, J3 Emerge, J7, J7 Star, J7 Prime, Note 5, 4, 3, LG G2, G3, G4, K8, K10, K30, LG Stylo 2.3, LG Stylo 2.3 Plus, LG Prime 2, LG Aristo 4 Plus 3.2, LG Phoenix 4.3.2, Moto E6 E5, Play, E6 E5, Plus, E4, G4, G5, G6 Play, Kindle Fire 7, 8, 10, Nokia 3. 1, 3. OnePlus, 2. 1. Sony Xperia, BlackBerry, Xbox One controller, PlayStation 4 and other more. What you get. 1x Android car charger fast charging, 1 by 6 feet fast charge micro USB cable, Android charger set. Top reviews from the United States. Works great and fast. Works great and charges fast.